Law number 43. The Yin and Yang Duality. Duality is all about balance. Light and dark, strength and softness, challenge and growth. In biology, survival often depends on separating and managing opposing forces within a system to keep everything running smoothly. Take dolphins, for example. They literally sleep with one eye open, shutting down one side of their brain at a time so they can breathe and stay alert for danger. It's the ultimate multitasking move, showing how duality keeps them safe and functioning. The Yin and Yang Duality law, or what you might call the panda principle, shows how opposing forces drive balance and adaptability in nature. Just like the panda, a bamboo-loving bear with a carnivore's gut, blending fierce and gentle traits in one body. This law reminds us that life thrives on contrast, prey and predator, asexual and sexual reproduction, cooperation and competition. Whether it's male versus female traits or the push-pull of symbiosis and parasitism, duality shapes everything from genes to ecosystems.